Hey guys, JR Railroad here. Today I'm going to be talking about some tips for sprucing up one of your pieces of rolling stock that might be a little simple, or like in this case, I got this car off of eBay. I've been really interested in flat cars for my collection, and you know, I got a good deal with shipping and everything. It was $38, but you know, sometimes you get what you pay for. It was missing some pieces. The foot steps were all missing. The springs in the trucks were missing on two of the sides, which rendered them pretty much useless, along with the piece in the bolster they went into. So besides that, you know, updating the couplers, giving it some visual appeal, making it look a little more real. So I have a time lapse featuring that and some pictures. So stay tuned and we will look through those. We're going to do a bit of a challenge on this car. I didn't realize till I bought this Santa Fe flat car on eBay that Aristo Craft had two different runs. The earlier productions were set a lot higher, and these wheels were all exposed, and it sat almost a quarter-inch higher than this. For say this one, this is a newer one that they had lowered from the factory, so it didn't look good. I like these Aristo Craft cars, but they didn't line up. So I found a really cool website with a guy named Ted that has detailed instructions on how you can lower these down with a few steps and a few tools to make them match, and I'll put a link to that in my description so you can see that if you'd like. One thing you can do too is shave off these side nubs, the side mounting screws. I have 8-foot diameter curves, so that gives me a little extra turning space, and it's just enough to get away with no problem.